Hey guys, got a 2024 plate BMW 1 Series here. Just going to show you how to check the oil maintenance life on this one. From this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash and use the controls on the centre console. Now from here, we're going to press home, then scroll down to car, click in the dial, then vehicle status, then scroll across to service requirements, then click in the dial. And from here, it's going to tell you your engine oil. So on this one, in 9,000 miles or in December 2025. And then you have other things like your service, your vehicle inspection or brake fluid.